Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS box model. So in CSS the box model is very important concept, and it is very important to understand the box model to properly lay out all the elements on a web page. So the CSS box model is just like another box. It consists of the margin and then the border and then the padding, and inside we have the content of the element. So whenever we set the height of the element or we set the width of the element, then the effective height can be calculated by adding the height of the content plus the padding in both the side and the border in both the side, and also we have to add the margin in both the sides to have the effective height of the element. Similarly, in case of width, we have to add the padding in both the side. Also we have to add the border in both the side and also the margin in both the side to have the effective width of the element. Like in example here, the h1 element has the height of 200 pixel and the width of 200 pixel. So the height is the height of the content, which is 200 pixel, and the width is width of the content, which is 200 pixel. Now to calculate the effective height, we have to add the padding in both the side, and also we have to add the border in both the side. So the effective height will be, the height is 200 pixel, so 200 plus then the padding in both the side, so 60 pixel plus the border in both the side, so 10 pixel plus the margin is 0, so the effective height will be 270 pixel. Similarly, the effective width will be, the width is 200 pixel plus the padding in both the side, which is 60 pixel plus the border is 5 pixel in both the side, so 10 pixel plus the margin is 0, so the effective width will be 270 pixel. So this is the way we can use the CSS box model, and we can lay the elements on the web page properly. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.